terrific dancer. You're really shaking your tail feathers there, huh? You know, I think of you and I
What are you
just think
doing?
of things falling.
Why? What did you hear? Do you know something?
No, nothing's falling on
What are
your
you
head, Chicken
doing?
Little, which is more than I can say for these unfortunate people. He's no match for the F-17 stealth kite. Oh! Just another reason
She's really into that show, eh?
shouldn't play kids' games. The weatherman predicted isolated snowfall.
You're bothering her.
That's what you get for being a Civil War reenactor and a couch potato.
So what are you doing?
Somehow it's never the best.
What's he doing? What's he doing? Hey, baby beluga, baby beluga. Ay! Ay! She's like,
She's sitting up by herself there.
well, I can see your hands.
I'm holding her legs. Not even holding
Yeah,
her.
well, hold on.
Huh?
Hold on.
Oh, it's okay. I can control her body like this.
Mm-hmm.
See her falling?
They're so mean to the kids.
That's a good one, though.
No, she's scared.
Aww.
You want to do that to your baby?
It looks pretty good, though.
Yeah, okay, but not enough to do it to your own child.
Little girl in all of them.
Okay, say bye-bye. Oh my God.